Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing your data. Backup documents, pictures, and desktop to an external drive or cloud. Once done, note app licenses and export bookmarks and 2 FA backups so you can restore later. Make sure the PC is plugged in online and you're signed in as an administrator. Now open Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Recovery. Click Get Started under Reset this PC and choose whether to keep my files or remove everything so you control data retention. You'll now configure how Windows reinstalls. Choose Keep My Files if you want apps removed but personal files retained. Choose Remove Everything for a full wipe. Next, pick Cloud Download to fetch a fresh copy, about 4 GB, or Local Reinstall to use existing files. Cloud gives newer system files. Click Change Settings to enable data erasure for physical drives if you're disposing the PC, or Skip for speed. Review the list of removed apps and confirm, then click Reset to start the process. When the reset begins, let it run uninterrupted. The PC will restart several times, and the process can take 20 to 60 minutes or longer on older hardware. After Windows finishes, go through the initial setup, sign into your Microsoft account, reinstall apps, and restore files from your backup. Make sure to run Windows Update to install critical patches. If the reset fails, try creating installation media on a USB and perform a clean install. And run chkdsk to check for disk errors before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.